So this is going to be the second round, making charcoal, doing hardwood charcoal this time. So I got the small barrel inside loaded up with birch, mainly yellow birch, and got both ends cut out of this barrel. Got one of those cutout ends down bottom. Some holes drilled in it, some bricks in there just to keep the big barrel away from the little barrel and keep things from collapsing. So now I'll load her up with small stuff, scrap. There's lots of scrap laying around here. And wait till the boys get home, we'll light her up.
On his back and up to earth with her he did pack with a rightful, oh, diddy-fi day. Rightful, diddy-fi day. He said to the farmer, I come back with your wife. Rightful, diddy-fi day. He said to the farmer, I come back with your wife, for she's the pain and torment of me life with a rightful, oh, diddy-fi day. Rightful, diddy-fi day.
So what this is doing is we got a fire going out around the inner barrel. It's heating that up, heating up all the wood inside the smaller barrel. That wood is expelling first the moisture. That's a lot of the white smoke you see coming off top. And then once the moisture is gone, it starts expelling gases, which exit the bottom of that smaller barrel, which doesn't have a bottom on it. So gases come out of the bottom of that inner smaller barrel, and they help fuel the fire. Yeah, right. All right, we're 2 hours and 20 minutes into the fire here now, and we're probably just going to let it burn down there, and that'll be it for day.
Yeah. Me and Ty go on the floor and we all had a bit, like we did yesterday.
Is Mummy still here?
Yeah, I can see her. She's taking the wood off. And do what?
Okay.
And do what? Go on a little four-wheeler ride.
Alright, so here's the final result of that last hardwood charcoal burn, which turned out pretty good, I think. And there's the goods. I think that'll work very nicely.